Hi, I'm Lee Acey from Healthcare Clinic, inviting you to stop by one of our 5 February founding member open houses at Healthcare Clinic in Rochester. We've set up these open houses from 5 to 7 every Thursday in February for you to get a chance to come and see Healthcare Clinic for yourself, get your questions answered, and learn about our founding member savings. If you sign up for membership in Healthcare Clinic by February 29th, you'll lock in 20% savings off our regular membership dues for as long as you stay a member. With your membership at Healthcare Clinic, you get office visits at no charge for more than 100 lab tests as needed. Your first 2 prescription drugs from our generic list are also included. And finally, you get access to metabolic health coaching, which can help you deal with the underlying causes of disease. So I hope you'll stop by one of our 5 founding member open houses on Thursday nights from 5 to 7 at Healthcare Clinic in Rochester.